Sometimes you might have a data set and the data set contain dates. So sometimes you want to arrange the date from the first date that it occurred to the last date that it occurred with all the observations. And then with that one, we use a function called strip time. So I'm going to tell you how to use the strip time function to arrange dates from the first date of the observation to the last date of the observation. So now I don't want to code this one again. I'm just going to explain it. This library tidyverse is going to show you how to you do the piping, because we will need a piping in the data set. So we are going to run this one. This code, it's going to help you to import the data set. This will read the data. Which data set are you going to use? The source data set, and it is a TXT extension. The header through here is going to show you that all the columns are already there. Now, with this view function is going to view the data set. Then we use the attach function to show you that if you want to call for any of the variables, it helps you to do that very, very easily. And then if you want to look at the first 6 observations of the data set, we use the head function. So we are going to run it one after the other. So you run all of them, you view it, and we come back and then attach it. After you attach it, now we can view we can select the first 6 observation to see how everything is done. So now when you look at the dates right now, the dates here, they are not arranged very, very well, because this is 25th August 2003, 21st May 2003. But we want to arrange them in a way that we can see the first date to the last date. So that one, most people use this function where they order the names, but that's wrong. So let me show you how most people do it. So new nums, we say new nums, we create a new variable for that. Then we say nums, then we bring square bracket, then we are going to order. What are we going to order? The dates. So making this one, the attach function, it's helping you to bring the dates very, very easy. Then after that, you bring it. So this is going to show you all the columns that have that, and then it's arranged. It's going to arrange it. Let's run it and see. When you run it, now we can view it. So we view the new norms data to see what is going on. So when you do that, though it has arranged the dates from 1st October, this is 1st October, October 1st, you see that it takes the dates, the day first, but this is not how we want to do it. And this is what most people do it, and then that is not how it's supposed to be done. So I'm going to show you how to use the strip function to order for the dates. So let's say we create a new variable called dates. So we call the new variable dates, and we are going to use a strip time to do that. So we strip time the dates. Then what you're going to do is to use the format. And the format, what format do we need? So we put it in our quotation marks, and we say percentage, the day, this is the format. The day, percentage, month, percentage, year. So this is how it is done. So once you have been able to do that, you can view the dates and see what is going on. So when you view it, it shows everything here: the day, the month, and then the day, the year, the month, and the day. So now that we have been able to do that, we have to combine the new data. So if you want to combine the new data, we use a function called cbind. So let's override the nums data and then just do it. So cbind. So we have to combine the nums data. So the nums plus the dates. So we have been able to do that. So now we can now view the function. We can now view the new data sets, the new nums. Okay, so we can say nums. So we run that and see. So now that we have been able to do that, we have been able to divide it according to the year, month, and then the day with hyphen inside. This is very, very nice. But sometimes you just want to take this date out, because this is basically the same as this, so that you don't want a situation where it's going to mess everything up. So the best thing you have to do is to call, the first thing you have to do is to call for, to select the norms. So to select the variables. So what you have to do is to call for the norms, and then new, you're going to override it again. Then we call for the data norms, then we pipe it. After you pipe it, we are going to select the name, the response, the treatment, and then the dates. So now we can run it. After you run it, now we can view our new data. We can view our new data, the norms, to look at how everything is done. So here you can see that the first date from this one has been taken out. This one has been replaced by this. So has been replaced by this. So now that you have been able to do that, and it's everything is arranged alphabetically, like from the first observation to the last observation. So now that you have been able to convert the date into the proper distance, now what you have to do is to just, now you can reorder it. So let's say we have a new norms data set. So that one, what you have to do is to call the norms data set again, and then we are going to order it from what are you going to order? The dates. The dates, you're going to order the dates, and then you put this. So you run this line. After that, now we can view the data, and it becomes very, very simple. View, using the view function, the new norms _2. Let me view it. So you look at how everything is now done. Now everything is arranged from the date that it occurred first. So now we can see that the 49th observation is now the first because that observation occurred first. So it goes down to the 67th entry. So when you scroll down, you can see that the 4th observation, Ian, is the first person, the one who had it last. So thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.